Hi everybody. Thank you for joining me and Wyatt and Zena today. Zena is loving this room because she likes this couch. So maybe we can get her to stay with us for more videos if I keep filming in this room. So, of course, Wyatt's already exhausted and I didn't even get started yet. So, thanks for joining me. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you keep watching. I have a Fashom unboxing for you today. This box has been long in coming. I feel like I ordered it a really long time ago. Fashom is a styling service. There is a styling fee, but I have not had one yet. I think they were doing a special, where your first 3 months were free. And I'm not sure if that's still going on. And I believe this is my third box. So I will let you know with my next box how much the styling fee is. You get to pick up to 7 items. You have to have at least 5 to get your styling sent to you, but you get to pick up to 7. You do get to look at your items. So you fill out a profile. Your stylist puts together some outfits for you. And usually there's about 4 or 5 items in each outfit. And from those outfits, you get to pick up to 7 items. And then you put them in your bag and you check out and they get shipped to you. And here's my box. So you then go ahead and keep what you love and send back what you don't. And with Fashom, you only have to keep 3 items to get the discount. So that's nice because usually it is 5 items. So here's the inside of my box. I love that. Hello, beautiful. And let's see what is in here. And Fashom has been getting better with every box. So the first one I got, they were newer. So each thing has been getting better and better as they work out all the kinks in their process. So my stylist is Victoria. She's been my stylist, I believe, all along, because you actually, as part of your process, pick your stylist, and I always pick the same one. And for some reason, you get it's not a person that I picked. Mine is the New York stylist, and that must be Victoria. So I picked 7 items. I'm not going to read pricing yet. I'm going to wait till the end. And you have 3 days to decide what you want. If you buy 3 or more items, you get 25% off your entire purchase. And for every Fashom box, they contribute $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. So I didn't know that. That's awesome. They do send you a bag to return anything you don't want. And there looks like there's a few bundles in here. So let's do this. First bundle. I don't remember this at all being in my preview, so this is fascinating because I wouldn't have put this in my cart. So I'm not sure how this got in here, but okay. This looks like a dress, and maybe I didn't realize this was the pattern, but this is a dress, and it has toucan birds on it. Check that out. That's not me at all. Do you see that? I think it's cute. It's very tropical, but it's not me. Okay. I'll try it on. It's by West Key. All right, next up is by Pleone, and it's a little faux wrap top, short sleeve, with little pink roses on it. All right, next bundle, a little bit bigger. Still laughing. All right, cardigan. This is a nice longer cardigan, has pockets. It's a pretty light tan color, and it's lightweight going into fall. I did think this would be nice for transition. This is a blue and white dress, and I should probably tell you who these are by. The cardigan is by Susina. This dress, this blue and white striped dress, is by Beach Lunch Lounge. It has, the bottom has a little fringe Okay, next up is a pair of jeans by 1822 Denim, and these are classic skinny, and they're a very dark wash with a lot of stretch. So they have no distressing. They would be nice for work. Next is a pair of Levi's in a super skinny 535, and these are a green color, and they do have some distressing. This is a nice color. Look nice with that top. And last is another pair of denim, ankle skinny by Banjara. These have stretch too. These have big holes in the knee and rolled cuffs at the ankle. Okay, so now that we've seen it, let's see what my stylist says. Hello, Laura. Thank you for a chance to style you again. I selected a few pair of jeans, pants, and tops that you can wear now and later in the fall, as well as a lightweight cardigan that you can pair with any short sleeve top. I also included a long sleeve dress that is both comfortable to wear at home when it gets colder and a casual piece to quickly put on and run errands in. So it was actually a dress with a hoodie and looked like a sweatshirt material, and I did not select it, so it's not in this box. Sorry, the frayed stretch twill ankle pant wasn't available, so we changed it to the Levi skinny jean and also the woven print dress. That's okay. The woven print dress has some quality issues, so we replaced it, the woven print in Cobalt. Hope you like it. Okay, so there was a green pair of jeans that I asked for. This must be a replacement for those green jeans, so it's a different brand. And the Cobalt dress I did not ask for. I asked for a different dress that was more in fall colors, so this is a replacement dress that makes more sense. Okay, so I will save the prices for the end, and let's do this try on. Okay, here is this Toucan cobalt blue dress, and the color of the dress is beautiful. It has a very high pure waist, and these cutesy little flutter sleeves, and I pretty much don't like it. It's just not me. It's a cute dress, but I think that's the problem. It's a cute, very, very cute dress. Okay, let's try something else on. Okay, next up is this navy and white striped dress, and I put on a pair of turquoise sandals with it. And this is nice quality. I don't mind this fringe at the bottom. I have room in it. And I'm just not sure. I'm not sure how it fits, about the back of it, I guess. Like if it's gonna bag. But I think it's cute. It might be nice with a jean jacket or a cardigan going into fall. And then I grabbed a belt really quick because I didn't know if that would make any difference at all. And I just grabbed the first one that I put my hands on, so just to see if a belt made any difference. Okay, next. Okay, so here is this faux wrap top, and it does actually have a snap here, so you don't have to worry about it opening. This is elasticy, which is nice for pulling it on. It might be a little big for me, but it lays nicely, and because of this elastic, it still creates a waist, so I don't think it's an issue. And then I have on the 1822 denim, which, guys, I have to tell you, these are so soft. They feel like leggings. They pulled on wonderfully. And depending on the price, I think I will keep these because they will be wonderful for travel. They fit well, and they are so soft. I like the color of them. There's no distressing, so I could wear them to work. And they're an awesome denim. I love them for especially. And I just paired them with a pair of green lace-up booties to bring out that little bit of green in this top. Okay, next. All right, so now I have on the Levi green jeans and this cardigan. The cardigan is very soft. I will have to cuff the sleeves because my arms, I think, are short. But it fits well, super soft. It's a great length. So I like it. And the jeans, here's a thread. The jeans are nice, however, they do have more of a low rise to them. They fit well, but I'm afraid because of the low rise, when I bend down, I might have an issue with them slipping. Yeah, I'm not sure what I think of these. So I guess we'll have to see how much they cost and if they're worth keeping or not. And I don't like it if they're too tight, and these don't seem tight, but I don't like it if your skin is like sticking out like leg fat. That's not good. We don't want that. All right, I have one last pair of jeans to try on. Okay, last pair of denim. These are the pair with the big hole in the knees and the rolled up cuffs. So these now are a high waist as opposed to the low waist. They fit pretty well, no complaints, and no leg fat, so it's not like making my legs look fat and like anything is being pushed out of the hole, so that's nice. I'm just not sure that I need these, but they fit comfortably and they would be cute going into fall. So I will be right back for a quick wrap up. Okay, so that was my Fashom try on. What did you guys think? Let's run through these prices real quick. So first up is my blue toucan dress, and this dress was $45. I can tell you I am way too old to be this cute, so this is a no. Next up, which is a definite no, were these jeans with the holes cut out. Not that I didn't like them, because I do like distressed jeans. I just don't need these. And these were $48. So I'm not going to get those as well. What I did really like was this cardigan, which was $48. And the 1822 skinny jeans, which were $46. I am definitely keeping those two items. These skinny jeans were so soft and comfortable, be so great for traveling. So I'm definitely going to keep those two items, which means I need at least one more item to get 25% off. So my maybes are this navy and white dress. What did this look like on? Was it cute? Did it look better with the belt? Do I need it? Maybe not. It was $50. This blouse, which I think is cute, maybe too cute with the little roses, but I liked the little bit of green in it. So, and I have a lot of green jackets, so that's why I was leaning towards keeping it. It even has a little bit of like the turquoisey, that little pale green in there. I like that as well. This top is $46. That was in my maybe pile, and then these Levi's with the green, olive green, which I liked these as well. I think once they stretch out, the little bit of distressing would probably be fine. So I want to pick one of these three items. Which should it be? Help, 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 help. So if you would please, please, please comment below, I would so appreciate it. If you could hit that subscribe button and show me some support, I would be so appreciative of that as well. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have already subscribed to my channel, a million thank yous. I really, really appreciate the support. If you give me a like, I would appreciate that as well. So thank you so much for joining me today, as well as Wyatt, who is trying to sleep as usual, and Zena, who is, I guess, sound asleep as well. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you guys are having a great week. Till next time.